Hello friends, this is Sid and welcome back to our channel TechView. This video is about SMS and call bomber using Termux. Means how to send SMS and calls in bulk to someone's mobile phone. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open Termux. If you don't have Termux, just go to the Play Store and search here for Termux and install it in your device. So I have installed already. I'm going to open and leave it open and minimize this Termux window and go to the Chrome, and this is the GitHub page of TBomb. You can copy a command from here. Don't worry about it, I'll provide this command also in description. You can copy and paste in your Termux. Just paste it and that's it. It will take some time, so wait. You have to start the TBomb. Just type tbomb.sh. Press enter to continue. Okay, guys, here you can see two options on the top. First is SMS bomber and second is call bomber. First we'll see SMS bomber, then we will also try call bomber. Here you have to choose the option. Okay, this is the SMS bomber. As you can see here, you have to enter your mobile number without any country code. So I am going to enter my own mobile number. And enter. And after that you have to enter target mobile number which you want to send SMS in bulk. So I will again provide my mobile number. You can also provide someone else's mobile number. So let's see. After that you have to enter your country code. So because I am from India, so +91. Okay, enter. And again you have to enter the target mobile number. So again I'm going to enter my own mobile number. And enter. And the last you have to enter how much SMS do you want to send on that mobile number. So I'm just sending 10 SMS. You can also provide the huge amount like 100, 200, 500 and many more. So just press enter. And delay. Delay means SMS delay means delay time means you have to enter the delay between SMS. So I'll just provide here 2 seconds. You can choose either 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and as you want. You can choose the time delay. Okay. Here you can see a number of requests sent and successful request and failed request. Failed request means system is try to send SMS but it will fail. Then it will show in a failed request. As you can see on the top notification bar, there is SMSs coming from like Flipkart and I don't know why. I don't know what is it. VM Go Note. Okay guys, so here successful request sent 8 and failed 4. Now it will increasing to 9. And 10. So as you can see, this is very irritating for someone received such type of messages in bulk. So this is about SMS bomber. Now we'll see how will work call bomber of TBomb script. So again, type here TBomb dot. One second, I'll check the proper name. Okay, it is a TBomb dot sh. TBomb dot sh and it. Oh. Sorry, you have to write your press enter to continue, and this time we will choose second option, 0 and 2. Okay, follow the previous step and write your any mobile number. Again, here you have to provide the country code. After that, again enter the target mobile number. Number of calls. The TBomb only I can send 15 calls in each row. So you can restart TBomb and send unlimited calls to someone's mobile phone. I'm here provide 5 and time delay. Time delay I will provide 5 seconds. Okay. Let's see what's happened. First successful request. I can't record my screen during call, so I'm just going to cancel it. Friends, if you want some more video on Termux, please let me know in comment section. I have many topics like Facebook, Instagram phishing, payload, rat, and camera, microphone hacking. So let me know. Friends, if you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.